Hi students, today we will discuss about microbes in human welfare. The topic is based on plus 2 biology syllabus. What is microbes? The microbes are minute unicellular organisms that invisible to naked eyes. And they are also known as microorganism or microscopic organism. Why it is known as microscopic organism? Because they could be seen only under the microscope. In this chapter, we discuss about microbes that we use it in different field. The first one is microbes in household product. The example for it is lab. Lab means lactobacillus or lactic acid bacteria. It is used to convert milk to curd by producing an acid. The name of acid is lactic acid. The lactic acid is conjugate and partially digests the milk proteins. Then the milk is converted into what? Curd. The fresh milk can convert it into curd by adding some amount of curd containing lab. That means നമുക്ക് ഒരു ഫ്രഷ് മിൽക്കിനെ കേർഡാക്കി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ തൈരാക്കി മാറ്റണമെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുത്താൽ മതി? ലാബ് കണ്ടെയ്നിങ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ലാക്ടോ ബാസിലസ് കണ്ടെയ്നിങ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള കേർഡ് ആ ഫ്രഷ് മിൽക്കിലേക്ക് ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുത്താൽ ആ ഫ്രഷ് മിൽക്ക് എന്തായിട്ട് മാറും? കേർഡായിട്ട് മാറും. And it also help increase the vitamin B12 in curd. In the case of stomach, the lab is help to check the pathogen that present in the stomach. The next topic is microbes in industrial products. The industrial products are organic acid, alcohol, enzymes, cycloporins, statins. The first one is organic acid. The acid producer microbes include, the first one is Aspergillus niger, and is a fungus, and is produce citric acid. Second one is Acetobacter aceti. It is a bacterium and is produce acetic acid. Third one is Clostridium botulicum. It is also a bacterium and is produce butyric acid. Fourth is Lactobacillus. We know that it is also a bacterium and is produce which acid? Lactic acid. The next industrial product is alcohol. Yeast is a microbe that used to produce ethanol in the alcohol industries. The third industrial product is enzyme. The first enzyme is lipase. The first enzyme is lipase. Lipase used in detergent formulation and is helped to remove oily stains from laundries. The next one is pectinase and protease to clarify the bottled juices. Streptokinase is the next one and is produced by Streptococcus and is used as a clot buster to remove clot from the blood vessel of a patient who have myocardial infarctions. Fourth one is cyclosporins A and is produced by Trichoderma polysporum and is a fungus and it is used as immunosuppressive agent in organ transplant patients. The fifth industrial product is statins and is produced by Monococcus purpureus and is a yeast and is used as blood cholesterol lowering agent. ഈ ഒരു മൈക്രോ ഓർഗാനിസം ബ്ലഡ് കൊളസ്ട്രോളിനെ ലോവർ ചെയ്യുന്നത് എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഇൻഹിബിറ്റ് ദ എൻസൈം ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് റെസ്പോൺസിബിൾ ഫോർ സിന്തസിസ് ഓഫ് കൊളസ്ട്രോൾ. അവരെന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നു? ഈ ഒരു കൊളസ്ട്രോൾ സിന്തസൈസ് ചെയ്യാൻ കാരണമായിട്ടുള്ള എൻസൈമിനെ അവിടെ ഇൻഹിബിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയായിരിക്കും ചെയ്യുന്നത്. The third topic in this chapter is the microbe as biocontrol agent. The microbe as biocontrol agent. There is a two type of biocontrol agents that are Bacillus thuringiensis and next one is Trichoderma sp. The Bacillus thuringiensis is used to control the butterfly caterpillar and is used by the dried spore of Bt are mixed with water and sprayed on the vulnerable plant such as braccaceae and fruit trees, and it is eaten by the caterpillar. In the gut of the caterpillar, the toxin is released. One type of toxin is released and the larvae get killed. The scientists have introduced Bacillus thuringiensis toxin G into plant. The example for it is Bt cotton. The next biocontrol agent is Trichoderma sp. It is a fungus and these are free livings and present in the root ecosystems and they are control several plant pathogens. So students, there are the three topics are discussed in this chapter. The first one is microbes in household product. Second one is microbes in industrial products and microbe as biocontrol agents. Thank you.